Maybe lately you've asked, Lord, nasaan ka nung nasasaktan ako? Nung may pinagdadaanan ako? I get that. You prayed, you cried, you begged. Pero ang sagot hindi nagbago. Pain is real. Loss is real. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na wala ang Diyos. Kung walang Diyos, walang standard ng tama at mali. Wala tayong basehan ng mabuti at masama. Pero alam mo kung ano ang unfair eh. Alam mo kung anong masakit. So yes, God is real. Ang tanong talaga, bakit niya ba hinayaan? You see, God gave us free will. And free will makes love possible. Kaso lang, free will din ang nag-open ng door para sa kasalanan. Kaya broken ang mundo. Pero ito ang mahalaga. Jesus did not stay in heaven. He stepped in. He suffered with us. He suffered for us. So, whatever pain you are experiencing right now, ito ang dapat mong malaman at tandaan. God is forming your character. Yung faith mo lumalalim. Yung heart mo lumalawak sa compassion. You are being shaped. Huwag mong isipin that you are being punished. You are being formed. Romans 8:28 says, God works in all things for good. Hindi all things are good, pero God works in all of it. So nasaan nga ba si God nung umiiyak ka? Nandun siya, kasama mo, hindi ka binitawan. Keep walking, keep trusting. God is not done.